How tall are you?
Oh, 5'11" and a half.
We could probably get like half an inch today.
What? Oh, man.
Tender?
Yeah, that's from cutting hair. I need you to bring me back.
Eli, my barber is here. Let's double check here.
Yeah, you didn't lie. 5'11" and a half.
And this is kind of the ideal posture here that we're looking for. But you're also a barber. You're also doing this all day long.
Yeah.
So naturally, your body's going to easily do this, right? You've been doing a lot of push-ups?
Yeah.
Body never lies.
Oh, got it.
I got it. I want you to wiggle your right pinky toe.
Oh.
Let's just see. Let's see if there's any change in height.
You're 6 feet tall.
Oh.
That is wild.
Wow.
Hey, you gotta change your driver's license now.
No, Lakers, what's up? I'm ready.